Scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Finding the Maclaurin series for the derivative of sine of x squared is actually super fast if you follow these simple steps right now. Substitute x squared into the standard sine series. This yields x squared minus x to the 6th over 3 factorial plus x to the 10th over 5 factorial. Now we just take the derivative of each term one by one. The power rule turns x squared into 2x and x to the 6th into 6x to the 5th. Simplify the fractions to see the terms match. This leads directly to option C as the final answer. You solved the problem. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs carefully and always trust given formulas to check your steps.